Okay, everyone. Today we're going to discuss percent composition. Please take a moment and copy down the definition as well as the example. Percent composition by definition is the percent by mass of each element in a compound. Whenever you need to calculate the percent composition of the elements in a compound, you need to have the correct formula. So this is where our formula writing skills come into play. I'm going to shrink this up a little bit so I have more room to write, guys. So we have to first write the formula for magnesium hydroxide. If you recall, magnesium is in group 2, so it gets a +2 charge, and hydroxide has a -1 charge. So the formula for magnesium hydroxide is MgOH in parentheses 2, because we need 2 hydroxides in order to balance out the positive charge on the magnesium. So how do we go about getting this percent by mass? Well, you need to look up the mass of every element in the compound. So I'm going to color code this. So we'll start with magnesium. We have 1 magnesium, and so that is going to be equal to 1 times 30, not 03. Okay, we've got 2 oxygens, which is 2 times 16, right? And we've got 2 hydrogens, so now we go back and we do the math. So 1 times 24.30 is equal to 24.30. 2 times 16 is equal to 32. And 2 times 1.01 is equal to 2.02. Now we have to add all this up. And we're going to get a molar mass for magnesium hydroxide to be equal to 58.32, and that's grams per mole. But now we need to get the percent of each of the elements, so we take part over the whole. So for magnesium, we take the 24.30 and we're going to divide it by the 58.32, okay? And we're going to multiply by 100. We're going to do the same thing for the oxygen. As well as the hydrogen. Okay, so now we literally take 24.30 divided by 58.32 times 100, because in order to get a percentage, you have to multiply the decimal by 100, right? When we do this, we get a percentage of 41.7, and that is percent magnesium. And then for oxygen, we take 32 divided by 58.32 times 100, and we get a percentage of 54.9% oxygen. And finally, for hydrogen, we take the 2.02 divided by 58.32 times 100, and we're going to get 3.46% hydrogen. Now if we add all of this up, we get a total of 100.06%, so 100%. Now that should make sense, because if we think of this as a pie chart, 54.9% is going to be oxygen. A small sliver is going to be hydrogen, and the rest will be magnesium. And the total has to add up to 100%. That is percent composition. Have a great evening.